Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Snowflake Marketplace connector for data assets, complete guide step by step clearly. To start the installation process of the Snowflake Marketplace connector, log into your Snowflake account. Navigate to the Snowflake Marketplace section from the main dashboard. In the Marketplace, look for the connector you wish to install. Click on the connector's name to access its details page. Review the connector's documentation to ensure you meet all prerequisites. On the Details page, click the Install button to begin the installation process. Select the specific Snowflake account where you want to install the connector. Choose the appropriate role for the installation within your Snowflake account. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure any settings required for the connector. If prompted, review and accept any terms and conditions associated with the connector. Once you complete the configuration, click the Confirm button to finalize the installation. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the connector has been successfully installed. Next, navigate to the Data section in your Snowflake account to access your installed connector. You may need to link the connector to your data assets, so be sure to follow the integration instructions provided. After linking, verify that the connector is functioning correctly by testing a data query. Ensure that you monitor the connector's performance and troubleshoot any issues as they arise. Once everything is working smoothly, you can begin using the connector to access data assets from the Snowflake Marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.